Want to make your TikTok reposts private, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to hide your reposts on TikTok. Now let's get started. To hide your reposts on TikTok, you have a couple different options you can take. There isn't any option to make only your reposts private, so the first method to hide them is to make your whole TikTok account private. To do this, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy. At the top, tap the switch labeled Private Account to make your TikTok page private. This will make it so only your followers can see your reposts, as well as any videos or photos you share to your page. If you don't want to make your entire profile private and only want your reposts to be visible to yourself, the other option is to delete your reposts and save the videos instead. Go to your profile and tap the repost icon. Then open a video you've reposted. Tap the share button. Then tap Delete Repost. Now tap the save icon. If you tap Collections, you can create themed collections of different types of videos to organize them if you like. By default, these are only visible to you and cannot be seen by your followers. You can choose to make them public or share with specific people if you want to. That's all it takes to hide reposts on TikTok. Want to turn off the viewer history feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.